Today, we are going to create a beautiful 3D burger commercial video using just two 2D images. One is a burger image, and the other is the McDonald's logo. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create this animation. First, I downloaded this burger image from Freepik. You can use Freepik or any other website to download a similar high-quality image. Now, open Adobe Photoshop and import the burger image. Create a new document with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then, drag the burger image into the document and remove the background. Next, we will turn this simple image into a realistic 3D style animation. The burger will rotate 360 degrees, just like a real 3D object. Next, I opened ChatGPT, uploaded this burger image, and asked it to create a prompt for generating a video animation. ChatGPT generated a prompt to create the video animation, and I copied the prompt to use in the next step. Then, go to Google Flow. Upload the burger image and paste the prompt here. Select Video, choose the landscape format, and select how many videos you want to generate. I selected one video, and then clicked Generate. And here is the result. A beautiful 360-degree rotating burger video that looks very realistic. Next, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Then, go to the renderer settings and make sure it is set to Advanced 3D. After that, import the burger video into After Effects and drag it into the composition. Now, double-click the burger video to open it in the Layer panel. Select the Roto Brush tool and highlight the burger so we can separate it from the background. Next, create a new solid layer. This will be used as the background. Then, enable the 3D option for this layer. Now, select the solid layer, go to Effects and Presets, and apply the Gradient Ramp effect. Then, set the colors to create a red gradient background. Now, duplicate the solid layer. This duplicated layer will act as the floor. Rotate the x-axis to 90 degrees, and then adjust the position so it looks like a floor surface. Next, use the cylinder tool to create a cylinder shape. This will act as the podium for the burger. Now, position the burger on top of the podium so it looks like it is placed on the stand. Next, change the podium color to red and adjust the bevel radius value to refine the edges. Next, import the McDonald's logo. This logo is an Adobe Illustrator file. Make the layer 3D. Then double-click the layer and select the Illustrator file. Right-click on it and choose Create Shapes from Vector Layer. This will create a new shape layer. Then, enable 3D for the shape layer. After that, go to Geometry Options and increase the extrusion depth. Then change the bevel style to concave and increase the bevel value. Now create a new light, and in the light settings choose Environment Light. In the Environment Light source, we need an HDRI image. You can download HDRI images from the website Polyhaven. Now import the HDRI image into the project. Then go to Environment Light Source and replace the default light with the HDRI image. Now create another light and choose Spotlight. This will help highlight the burger and create a more cinematic look. Now adjust the position and rotation of the spotlight to get the lighting effect you want. And that's the final result. Using just two 2D images, we created a realistic 3D style burger commercial animation in Adobe After Effects. And here is the final animation. We successfully created a realistic 3D burger commercial using only two 2D images in Adobe After Effects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.